If a person forgets to pay Zakat-ul-Fitr and remembers after Eid gets over, what should he do?
As far as Zakat-ul-Fitr is concerned, as we mentioned earlier, it should be given before the Eid al-Fitr Salah. As the Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 2, Book of Zakat, Hadith number 1503. The beloved Prophet ﷺ said that if it is given before Eid al-Fitr Salah, it is Zakat. If it is given after Eid al-Fitr Salah, it is Sadaqah, normal charity. So it should be given before the Eid Salah. If a person does not give before Eid Salah, then he should ask for forgiveness, he should repent and immediately give it as soon as possible. But if someone forgets, out of forgetfulness, then inshallah, Allah will forgive. Because Allah doesn't hold a person responsible if he forgets or does something out of mistake. Like a person drinks water forgetfully while he's fasting, Allah forgives him. So in this case, if he forgets, but unintentionally, then Allah will forgive him. But he should fulfill it as soon as possible, give that similar amount to a very poor person as soon as possible.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.